y'all, and welcome back to the channel. So, honey, baby, get how far can y'all see that? Alright, anyway, so, honey, I know y'all are so tired of seeing this bunny. Like, I'm tired of seeing it too. Like, but that's just how I get ready in the mornings. Like, I can't be on here faking the phone. Honey, my hair is wrapped. It's not coming unwrapped until I get done. Period. See, I do this every time. Like, where's the eyelash glue? We're just gonna go in with this Maybelline Master Prime and Base Primer. Looks like this. And we're gonna put this all over, honey. Y'all, wearing a primer is so important. Like, you don't have to. Like, you can put on a good moisturizer and still, you know, be good. And then, you know, it's so many different ones. Like, this one is it feels like silicone, and it's supposed to blur, and it's blur plus pore minimizer. So you got oily skin and them pores be like open. This your problem, sis. We are gonna go in with our Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Rich Caramel. I'm just gonna put this all over. I'm trying to do this real fast because, honey, I got to, this week for my content, my Instagram content, I usually try to do it a week ahead of time, you know, so I can just, like, stay on top of things and won't be, like, running behind. But, baby, we just got to roll with the punches and do it as we go. So, trying to get as much done as I can, y'all. You know, I've been really trying to stay consistent and just get this stuff done. But it's definitely would be easier if I didn't have a full-time job. Like, if I could just be a full-time influencer and makeup artist, that would just be like the dream. But until then, girl, I'm finna go clock in. But I feel like the beautiful part about it is it's okay, because one day, and I'm just going to go ahead and speak this into existence. One day, I'm going to be making a video on YouTube, and I'm going to be able to tell you guys that I quit a full-time job, and I'm a full-time influencer, and your girl is still getting paid. Okay. Like, that's the overall goal, so. Girl, look cute in there, look sneeze. But that's like my overall goal for this. Like, you know, of course I do it because I love it. But yeah, I would just love to give you guys content like every day. Which I know I did it during Vlogmas, but girl, ooh, all stressed out, okay? Y'all ain't even know. For those of you who didn't know, being an influencer is a full-time job. Like, I don't know what anybody told y'all, but if they tell you it ain't, delayed. Like, girl. Like, I just got the hang of doing reels. which I still feel like I could step my real game up a little. You know, it's always room for improvement. But like TikTok, girl, I have a TikTok account, but I only have one video on there. And it's old. But trying to stay up to date and current with all this stuff, girl, woo. It's like homework, you know. It's like having homework. You gotta learn how to do it in order to, you know, basically stay relevant, stay on top of, you know, your social media platforms. You have to stay current. You gotta keep up. 'Cause girl, if you don't keep up, baby, you will get lost in the sauce, and you know, eventually people just forget about you. So, girl, all that going missing. Like last year, I can't lie, I was not consistent at all. Like I was just like, I'm gonna post a picture today. I'm gonna go 3 weeks and a month without posting a picture, and I could tell that I was doing that because, baby, your girl when you know love. They hadn't forgot about me. Y'all hadn't forgot about me. But it's okay. Cause I ain't getting low, do you? Period. This little combination I be doing. I be using the Fenty Banana powder and the Sasha Buttercup. You put the Fenty on first, then go on top of it with that Sasha. Baby, if you trying to be looking like butter, that buttery, smooth, flawless finish, it's your mix right there, Pooh. It's your combo. Try it. Ooh, okay. So, like, have y'all ever, like, once you or you start following an influencer and like you just watch like all their still pictures and their reels videos, and then you be like, boom, they got a YouTube, so you like, I'm gonna see what's popping over her. And then when you get to their YouTube, it's like, dang, I didn't expect her to like talk like that or act like that or be like, that's like, you know, I feel like that's the beautiful thing about YouTube, because you get to know a person. Like, it's cool to see still pictures, but like to get to actually know a person like through YouTube and their videos, learn their personality, and you know, just all that. I think it's so dope. It's almost like you building a home, girl. It's like, girl, I know you. I know you. At least that's how I be feeling with my like other influencers that I meet. I just be like, oh my God, she's so cute. Oh my God, she killing me. Oh my God, that's my whole girl. Oh my God, she coming on my picture. Oh my God, we talking. Like, I'll never forget the first time. I don't know if y'all follow at the Corner White, but baby girl be killing the scene. I'll never forget the first time she ever like liked my picture. I was just like, like, girl, you seen me? Eh? Like, she took time out her day. Like, girl, you seen me? How you seen me? Yeah, I was pretty stoked about that. And then on top of that, y'all, it's so many challenges going on. So many. It's like, oh my God, I need an off day so I can do the challenges. But girl, it be a lot. But yeah, everything that I'm using, it will be in the description box below per usual. I'm just using this Black Radiance medium to dark contouring palette to contour my face. don't do my content like a week ahead of time, honey, it just feel like it starts to feel like honey, my world just is coming crashing down. Like, girl, how you gonna get it all done? It's like, girl, you got to make a reel, you got to post a picture, and you got to post on your YouTube because, girl, see, that's why I've been missing y'all, because, honey, I done got lost on Instagram, trying to, make sure I stay consistent on there. But see, I kind of done came up with a little plan that's going to probably help me stay more consistent on YouTube. So we just going to see. We're going to test it out and see how it goes. Because I definitely don't want to be neglecting y'all. We ain't going to do that. We ain't going to do that. We can't do that. I don't know why that's been happening here lately. I mean, is my skin dry or what? I mean, I know it's wintertime. And I know your skin get a little bit more dry, but girl, it look like, hey, my makeup been a little dry. Dry looking. Like that. Usually, y'all, I used to put like a whole bunch of highlighter on, but now I kind of just like, I like it. I like a subtle highlight, but I still like my nose. Now my nose, I like Sister Girl to Beam, okay? But I really hadn't been just wanting like a bright highlighter here lately. Just a nose, boo. So this is it, y'all. This is basically the beats. Ooh, baby, I'm out of this. Oh, Here she gone. Got another one though. Ooh. All right, y'all, so this is it for this look. I actually need to record a reel for my lips. I'm going to show you guys how to do the perfect red lip for Valentine's Day. So definitely make sure that you are following me on Instagram at officialjazzyb so that you don't miss out on the action, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and record that, do my lip, and we'll come back with the finished look for this. Yes, honey boo. Look at me, baby. Come on, red lip. Y'all follow me on Instagram.